All right, so starting off with a fresh sheet, in this video, we're going to look at which of our cities do best. And so if you remember now in the beginning, we created that total revenue, which was average price times total volume. So this time we're going to take that and we're going to set it to columns. And the beauty of Tableau, again, what it just did in one shot is it gave us our total revenue. So $11 billion in total revenue by the company. But one of the cool things is now we could break that down any way we want it. And so we're going to take region and we're going to put it on rows. Now you'll see very quickly all of those cities, what their makeup is of that total 11 billion as you hover over it. If we go to the top up here, right above the column shelf, we could do descending. And when we first look at it, we'll notice these are the top performing sectors. But as we look closely, it's not really fair, right? Because in this case, we have California as a state, we have the whole West, Northeast, South Central, right? So we want to get rid of these areas. We want to only leave cities. And to do that, we'll use our filters column. So if we come over here, we take region and drag it over to filters, we'll be able to exclude the ones we don't want. So to do that, if we scroll down, we'll just manually unclick the ones we don't want. So if we start with California, let's get rid of Grand Rapids and Great Lakes. Let's get rid of Mid-South, Northeast, Northern New England, Plains, South Central, Southeast, and let's get rid of the West. Let's see if that does it. We'll click apply and OK. And now you'll see, all right, so our top performing city is Los Angeles with total revenue of 500 million, followed by New York, followed by Tampa, and so on. If we want to get a little bit, if we want to get a little bit more aesthetic with the information or the color, we could take average price, drag it into color, and you could see, so Los Angeles looks like it's probably a little bit more, that the prices aren't as high, but it looks like the volume will probably be super high. In New York, you have higher prices, but maybe the volume is lower. All right, so that's just us comparing cities. So let's right click, let's rename that, and let's call this sales by city. And that is all for this video.